How to use social media to escape poverty. If you dey watch this video, you go become a celebrity. This video go build you house and e go buy you car. E go give you fame and money. And for you wey no know wetin you wan do with your life, e go give you idea on how to start your life journey. In the last few years, if you dey count people wey social media make, I dey among them. You no understand? By just expressing myself on social media, my talent and my gift don carry me all over the world. I don go different countries, go perform, go entertain and educate people. And I do all this from the comfort of my home. That my small community wey be people dey run, dey live. Na there I dey. I build entire career from that place. And now people dey find me, dey go there. When we dey grow up that time, people dey run from that place. They go find greener pastures outside. And now there I dey take build entire career and brand from that place. People dey run, dey live. So you see, say your environment is not even the problem, you are the problem. I wan share with you 5 things when I do differently wey you fit apply to help yourself in your social media journey. Number 1 is value. Value. Wetin you dey give, now you go get from social media. And now one thing I dey notice now, you go see person wey be say your create TikTok account, Facebook, YouTube. Then the next thing don dey come into agege. Abeg teach me how to monetize my Facebook or my TikTok. You go ask this person, how many video you don create? You tell I never create any video, na today I just create the account. So you say if your mindset na just to come here get and you no wan give, see, you no go get anything in return. Because you need to understand say this na something wey be say you fit do for 6 months, 1 year or even 2 years, you never dey get money inside. And if your only motivation or your only inspiration or the only thing wey dey ginger you na money, you no go fit cope. Even with your many views, you go give up along the line as long as you know they make money. So the only thing wey go fit keep you here na passion for the thing, which is the value you are here to give. And when we talk of value, we no dey talk of say you must be this sensible person or this wisdom person. Stupidity is value. You see somebody like Sabinus now, he dey mumu himself just to make you laugh. That's entertainment. You no understand? There must be something wey be say you stand for. When you measure gege today, e get something wey dey come your head. You no fit dey everywhere. The mistake many of una dey make be say you wan be everything, and now you no be anything. The goal is for you to be something and get so much influence for that angle of thing wey you dey. Because at the end of the day, no be views dey give money, na influence dey give money. Understand all these things. Very dark man dey help you fight. Sabinus dey make you laugh. Gege dey inspire you. They teach you, they motivate you, they educate you. My mission is simple: go and educate, teach and inform. Even Jesus Christ, his purpose dey defined. Wetin he come do? He come die so that people go live. Simple as ABC. So the mistake wey many of una dey make, una dey come here, you dey chase trend, you wan go viral, you want trend, time go tell, you go learn. You don't understand? Many of una dey chase trend. When you check the people wey don create trend, highest trend on social media space in Nigeria, na me bring Opwe, na me bring Mamako, na me bring Toto Make Beam, Gege University, Creoway, many things I don't bring. But I fit tell you say before God and man, I not get up for mind say all these things go trend or they go viral. I just dey do my thing, and people resonated with all these things. They can't find the thing funny, they find it entertaining. Now they call spread them. So if you see say your goal now just to come here to create trend, you know if you create any trend, just do your thing. Because social media is that place where you can be yourself and get paid for just being yourself. You need to understand, say millions of people in this world where they think like you, where they reason like you, where they get similar experiences like you. So if you make yourself to be that person to express yourself, these people they will connect with you. Now that's what they call community. And when you build community, and the community be the currency where you get, not be the views. If you use whiskey sound to do whiskey music, to do your normal this thing, if you use that one to get views, but it really give you influence, no. Another thing will really help me to grow quickly on social media is because my videos not they cost me money. You will want to start your journey in a newly. Make sure say you dey organize this thing in such a way that you know they collect 5 naira from your hand. The only money where my videos they cost me now the data until they upload them. If you send me go space now, I go see record video for there anywhere when I dey. So when you want start newly, make sure say the thing not they consume money from you, because if the thing they take money from you and you never start to make money from inside, now later you go tire because now you they put so much money inside the thing, you they hire cameras, you they make you they edit videos, they pay editors. Before you look now, you dey put money and the thing no dey give you money 1 year, 6 months, 1 year, you don dey money that never come out and you dey put your money, you go quick give up. So organize am in such a way be say you no dey collect 5 naira from you. As my brand don even big reach now, sometimes my team go walk up to me say, Agege, you get one idea we we'll get to, I want me you do am. I go first question I go ask you, it go cost money. If you tell me say yes, I tell am say okay, how we fit do am will be say the thing no go cost money. I know they do all this things because say I dey stingy, but because say I want to inspire other people. Today now you go see young boys now go just carry camera, go one bush side where boss her face one side, carry the camera, cause you go cry. They call they do content. I let these boys understand say to start this thing, you don't really need much. You don't even need the best phones or the best cameras or even need quality clothes or even the nice background. Now me make people come understand say okay, all these things you don't really need much. Now just what if you get to offer, then the thing go really you feel start your career from there. When I start to make videos newly, I be do video inside my car when I was doing pure financial videos. So I do video inside my car. That time I dey encourage my friends say okay bro, more not they do your way again. Make they do this social media. You know understand? The same way you dey use your self na see social media, but you dey use them in the wrong way. So make they use that like this if you get am clear. So many of them tell you because you dey do video inside car. Now the reason why they pay attention to you. If na say na another place, they not go reason you. And because if boys they look and say you they get a clan, the reason why they engage on your videos. To prove them wrong, I call they start to they go do my videos for bush side. To let them know say bro, not be that car. Now what I get to offer. Me I start this thing from Ghana, Frankies, you know I like Burkina, and Peace, Abama, Mokoyina. Me I declare my life, Abisina, Shege. I like get what they talk. It's more about what you have to give. Today now, I don't inspire a lot of people to let them know say okay, you don't really need much. You don't need editing skills. You not simplify your videos because when I start newly, one thing will really push me because I don't know people will sabi edit. I don't know people will don't already make them through social media where they close to me when it cancel me. So if I must really make this thing, I must do this thing in such a way be say not they collect anything from me. So in case I even not win at the end of the day, I know so I don't they not really take anything from me before. Now just raw passion for the thing and what I get to give. Even till today, I know they spend 1 naira for my video. If you give me a video idea will cost me money, I will tell you say okay, I will fit to do it for or I go look for when I fit to do it, we not go collect 1 naira from my hand. Number 2 thing you need to understand, you not fit build your career on trend. That mindset of always wanting to go viral, it go end your career before it starts. You know understand? When I bring Opwe that time, one of the things when I notice people call they invite me for events, they call they come me for appearances, and I meet a lot of people. They meet a lot of people. So anytime they want to introduce me, go stage, go they hear comments like new internet sensation, gay, all those things. People not really they give me the respect when I deserve because they feel like say this one na trend, it not go last. You go to hear comments like advice, they go they advise you. Like and now you they trend, your pack you know, see all the social media fame not the last to all those things. Bro, I understand many things where you not understand. When you know me, not be that time I start. I don't they do my thing for a very long time. When you know me now, when you decide to pay attention to me, because initially when I do my thing, many people they feel like say I don't know what they do. They be feel say I stupid, I don't really know what they do. I bet now later me go this will go soon come out. Now that mindset they take follow me, but I know what they do. Me, I start this thing from Ghana, Frankies, you know I like Burkina, and Peace, Abama, Mokoyina. Me, I declare my life, Abisina, Shege. Now God go me punish many of you now. Many of you now talk down on my part, like I don't know what they do. When you see my life today, my life is a mirror of success. When you look at me, you they see success. You they see hope. My life, they give people hope. People, they walk up to me, say, again, because of you, they live this life today. Thank you. My people, they thank God for my existence. That's my mission here. And as long as say what you they give now originality in your lifestyle, the way I be online, that's say I still be offline. Everything when I teach you now, what I they practice. I don't they do now my life. So as long as say now your experiences you are coming here to share, people they resonate with you, the journey continues. So as long as you they worry about views, engagement, For your see the day wey you not get engagement, you come be like say wetin you do not dey enough. Not be like say wetin you do not dey enough. The thing dey more than enough. But because of say you dey attached to the engagement, it go weaken you even before you start. Focus on what you can give. Forget virality and engagement. You know understand? Be yourself and people go love you. I know Charlie Poppy for TikTok. Even Odumodu Black, all the show dey now from TikTok at there. So social media is that place where you go to express yourself. All the very dark man, Sabinus. Now from social media, I know all these people. So you yourself, when they watch this video, you have celebrated people enough. It's time for you to be celebrated. I mean, when they make excuses, say social media is not for everybody. Bro, you deserve to be seen. Social media is for everybody. Even the president of this country, they use social media till they build their own dream. You will see person like Peter Obi, they use social media platform, they campaign. If they use that, they build the dream of becoming the president of this country. Without that social media, they don't see the way they see where they watch for TikTok and Instagram. You for they see all those things. No, so you can be here to build an entire career from the comfort of your home, anywhere, and be somebody. Me, I declare my life. I be seeing a shege. They talk down on me a lot. When I bring again University of Wisdom and Understanding that time, as I launch my university, now so the thing go viral. Everybody wash them all over the country. They say I get don't put school, men they happy, they celebrate. And you know say you know if you build your career on trend because trend not the last. Now later time you go take the trend must go. No matter how the trend boost reach, it must go. Me, I understand this thing. Now why I know the picture my mindset to say I won't make this thing trend. No, I just they do my normal thing. People will resonate to go help you push them. Now so it just be. So when people they make video that time say I got to see many creators they make videos. Gege investing on the trend like before again. Gege go soon go. They don't know say me say not even dwell on that place. As I drop her there, I know they do all that is they go. And over the years, I'm the most popular person who don't bring the most popular trend so far. Go check all over the internet. My voice messages they there. My pictures, my images, my video, my AI. I like the way they talk. My people when they imitate what they do, they're many. This one are what they call influence. Now the influence will keep you. Now the influence will give you the money. Now the influence will give you the life you want. Not be your desire to make money. Very dark man come here, they tell many of us say it's not interested in money. But at the end of the day, the social media not still change your life. So if you're going and you say you won't come make money, you not go last. Then number 3 thing what you feel do bro is to be consistent. Who they show up once every day by day, they must they show up. Better pass person will go show up 20 times in a day. The next day again not show up. You know understand? In as much as far as my career don't reach now, you see the way my career don't still big reach now. I still they show up every day. Before I continue with this video, I want to say many of you now TikTok monetization and Facebook monetization. So just comment I'm interested. I will enter your profile, DM and give you that now free. Might just help many of you career. You know understand? Consistency, showing up every day, no excuses. Every day, even as far as my career don't even big reach self. Every day I see they wake up, they drop videos back to back. The day you not see me drop video, maybe I go event. That one I see part of my career, physical class and mentorship and lecture and performance. So every day they wake up, they contribute something to my career. You see me for club, now my job be that. If you see me for maybe around your area, what you can do for you? Maybe I they shoot movie for that place. So consistency, you are showing up every day, every day. Many of them are waiting. I go do be say you will just come today. You drop video, the video not to get engagement. The next day you drop it before you look now, you don't withdraw. You know they try again. Now the reason why you day where you day, consistency. See where time day now. I wake up it's around after 2. People they sleep. Time I see after 4 now. I see they awake. Since after 2 now I wake up. People they sleep or I they contribute for my career. I they do something. Even many of the musicians where they play their music, the day studio they break, they record the song for you. Afternoon time you play song with the ginger, you the vibe. But they very hardworking, they very consistent. You know that you yourself you need to be consistent. You try and may not work, try another pattern till one particular thing start to the fall for you. I don't do skits before, go check. I don't do skits before. Go check well. May not come be like maybe everybody they come here they mumu. No. They tried many things. Nobody get it right. Today no don't sing before. I watched one of Today Not music video. I call it laugh, but today na one of the biggest blogger in Africa. So even Whiskey before, he don't fair rap before when he be Lil Prince, he don't rap before he turn singer. So if you try different things will not work for you, you readjust again, you try them 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 again. If it work for you, so I don't really know, this video not today long. We might have a part 2 of the video, but I don't know what it happened to me, bro. From now to December, I feel go crazy. I don't see him because I see symptoms of madness. See him now. I don't even they use brain, they practice am small. And this should not be cruise, not be carry talk. Because I don't catch myself so many times. Only me go they talk to myself. Sometimes I go they laugh. I don't notice how they laugh. Now later I go back to my senses. I can't notice how they laugh. So if there's anything you can do to help me now, you send me money, you can help me. Before I go crazy, I beg, do one for me. Not be when I can go crazy now because I want to help you, I go bite you. You know that. So I don't really know many things they do me. I don't know. Wanna help me because the Bible say, love thy neighbor than yourself. Love your neighbor more than yourself, so your days go be long on earth. God bless you. Me, I declare my life. I be seeing that shege. If you love gay, write my name in capital letter. You know I'm going to be here for a very long time. So if you have a problem with that, I don't know.
Like and subscribe.